Politricks Watch. This is Sir B. Now, today I'm going to be talking about an incident that took place with Squeeze Eye. This incident right there, so, let me say, some people look like them bathe with unicorn soap. Squeeze Eye escaped death by boxing down a woman. And within seconds, he ended up in a police jeep. Police did it and see everything. They got hear how him escape death. First, let me talk about the C4 interview. Not mine. This time with TVJ. Yes, C4 finally getting some traction with the mainstream media. Like actual serious traction. Not an article, like full prime time news, everything. I knew about the interview but never said nothing because, well, for one, it was my interview and I didn't want to know what got coming out before it dropped. So once me about it, I just alright, me sit down and wait until it drop. Right? Now it's live. At the moment, when this video drop, it's on TVJ's Instagram page, so you can go check it out. I imagine at some point it might end up on their YouTube channel. You know, you would think they would have put that on them YouTube channel as a separate, section. People that want to see an interview with C4, just that. Right, and now if you search through the whole news, and the whole news are going and pick out this. Like, let me not tell people to do them thing. TVJ can't do for them thing what they want to do. But let me say, C4 interview with TVJ. So check it out. Squeeze Eye was supposed to be witness number 3. I've said it before, if Squeeze Eye did become witness, I think even more man would have get sink. Because Squeeze Eye was the driver on the majority of the shootings, especially in the latter part of the gang's operation before them get hold on upon the anti-gang. So when times Sus and Crooks them go upon them shootings and all that, Squeeze Eye was there. As in, see, everything will go down, stand up on the scene. Squeeze Eye actually go upon more shootings than C4 because that was Squeeze Eye's job. So in terms of seeing the things go down in a real time, Squeeze Eye no more than Muma, C4, City Post, even Black Man. C4 drive the car upon some of the shootings but nowhere near as much as Squeeze Eye. So Squeeze Eye would have been a great witness in my opinion. But you know how that got ready. I'm telling you how Squeeze Eye end up try double cross the other two witnesses them. Try set them up for people who, as you heard in the recordings, tried to kill him whole heap of time. The people them who he was double crossing C4 for are the people them who that tried to kill him, and it was actually C4 who saved his life on many occasions by tipping off C-Talk said the man them I go kill Squeeze Eye. Multiple occasions C4 and the bunker were supposed to make program run upon him and them actually look out for Squeeze Eye, which is extraordinary because let me say, in the end Squeeze Eye was trying to double cross them so they wouldn't even be no trial, or even if it go on, it would have completely turned upside down on its head, that even one somebody would be convicted. And I already know Squeeze Eye would go down as a gang hero. That's what he wanted to be. He wanted the man name to say Squeeze Eye as some kind of general because he helped mash up the whole anti-gang thing. Help get out the witness them, they went already. The funny thing is, knowing City Post and Black Man how them operate now, even if they do that and double cross C4 and the bunker and make something onto them, City Post especially would have still killed Squeeze Eye. There was nothing him could do. Come back from the initial, right, quote unquote, inform when go inform, right, when you go talk to the police and get branded as the informer the first time round. Them did always see Squeeze Eye as a weak link, so no matter what him do, them they end up killing him. So, Squeeze Eye. By the way, that Squeeze Eye up on your screen. I don't know, but something is kind of off with Squeeze Eye. I have to ask C4 everything good with him. C4 I say, yeah man, he's just normal youth, man. But him look kind of goofy. I like me tell you. It's like a goofy thing to him. But enough time him go for kill the Squeeze Eye and police can lock him. They just turn up, hold on upon him, carry him to jail, right, take him off of the road. Right. But on one occasion, right, after City Post gave the order to kill him, right, Papa, who's an 87, right, who was convicted in anti-gang, right, was supposed to kill the Squeeze Eye. Might have to go do a video upon Papa one day. As Papa go for him, the same day when Squeeze Eye for dead, Squeeze Eye and a woman get in an altercation. And, disagreement, arguing start. Squeeze Eye say, woman diss him. And Papa is on his way to kill Squeeze Eye. Squeeze Eye decides this woman clearly don't realize she's talking to, a clansman. So how much murder ops he go upon and I guess he must say, she now show him the proper respect we him deserve. And maybe because I want him look, because me say Squeeze Eye look a goofy thing to him, saying say Squeeze Eye resort to violence. So the woman that accosted Squeeze Eye, and Squeeze Eye decides say a violence him go use second. Remember, Papa is on his way to kill him. Squeeze Eye box down the woman. As soon as him on land, as soon as the blow connect, police led upon the scene. They immediately arrested him. Papa's mission had to be aborted because remember he's on his way to go kill Squeeze Eye at the same time. Squeeze Eye are going to one back after jail. That box them go box on the woman and get locked up. Into Papa missed the opportunity to kill him. But there's another twist to this case. The police that was on the scene, it wasn't by coincidence. A Squeeze Eye them a go for. They were on their way to go lock up Squeeze Eye again. Because C4 knows that Papa was on his way to go kill him and tip them off again. So the police them a go for Squeeze Eye to lock him up. Squeeze Eye box down the woman, basically in front of the police them. End up at jail. The irony is that he didn't even have to box the woman to go to jail. Because he was going to get locked up anyway. Him, them a come for. When City Post them hear about this case, that's when them convinced this youth must have some kind of special unicorn dust. Now here's the thing with this time. Normally when them go lock up Squeeze Eye, it's because he's known as the driver for shooting them. So he's constantly being a person of interest. Police always want to talk to him or question him. Anytime the shooting go on, people hear about a Squeeze Eye drive. So police actually always want Squeeze Eye to question him. So anytime they go lock him up, it always makes sense because they might go for the shootings. But normally, because they don't really have no case against him, after they hold on upon him, a couple of days after, they must let him go. This time, because they really want to kill Squeeze Eye, and they might watch Mr. Squeeze Eye come back on the road quick. Because him go back to the woman, now him have a real charge. This is not like when they just lock him up and let him go. Within a couple of days, them actually have a real charge, and then they can really hold him in a jail. Incredibly, the man who ordered that murder, as in the man who ordered, right, says Squeeze Eye for dead, City Puss, and you heard in the recording the whole heap of time, him say it, right? You heard Black Man say it. But incredibly, City Puss, who sent Papa, right, to go kill Squeeze Eye, bust the case, and Papa and Squeeze Eye were found guilty. Right, so Papa and Squeeze Eye, right, the judge, right, the learned expert, concluded that Papa and Squeeze Eye are members of the Klansman gang, but City Puss isn't. Irie. I'd love to know what Papa and Squeeze Eye and them did that thing, but let me say City Puss bust the case. Because enough of the shooting them with them go on, right, the person who orchestrated them, right, the person who ordered the program, was City Puss. Enough time him send out orders without even Black Man having to say, right, do this and do that. So you heard about 1214 and you heard about your favorite artist from St. Thomas, right? But man, don't have nobody who escaped death more time, as in somebody actually send them, right, to kill him or them for dead on that day, and them escape it. Squeeze Eye, right, have escaped the most, right, murder attempts. This is also obviously what me know about, and especially relating to Spanish Town matters. But the unicorn soap, the man might be here tonight. If you want one, link me. Right. I sell them by the dozen. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more live. Ultra Squad, see you circle. Bless.